How do I find more product information on a specific product? Today I'll be showing you the best way to find out all the information you seek. So how and where can we find the correct product information? Perhaps there's something you need to know. Materials, for example, dimensions. You can find them all on our website. It's very simple and easy to find. Let's take a look at that now. For this example, I'm going to be using the Teasers Masturbator. Scroll down and you will see a product video. If you scroll even further, there's a tab labelled Product Information. Whilst this is a very descriptive, informative way to find out about a product, there's even more information available to you. Scroll down one further and you will see a tab labelled Sizes and Specifications. Here, there's even more detailed information about a product. There's also power and speed properties as well, and even more specifications. There's lots of useful information you can utilise here. Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other product videos in our collection? Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask. Drop a comment below and we'll get back to you.